FI Food Ingredients وبروباك ان هم يكونوا مع بعض بيساعدني كتير، لان انا اقدر اقابل كل الموردين بتوعي في نفس الوقت، والمعرض صراحه كبير ومليان شركات عالميه ومصريه، فساعدني كتير قوي ان انا اقدر اقابل الموردين بتوعي.
For the first time we have something to talk about ingredients in Egypt, to change it actually the landscape of the exhibition of ingredients and food additives in Egypt. So for me it's an amazing permit. This year I was amazed by the B2B matching meeting. The foreign investors actually have increased. So I think it's a matter of maturity that increased year by year, and the weight of the FI Africa that give us more successful rounds this year.
طبعا واحده من الليدنج اكزيبيشنز رايت ناو في الريجن، عماله بتكبر يوم عن يوم، في تطور رهيب جدا وملحوظ بسبب الريتش بتاعها وبسبب الانفستمنت الرهيبه اللي هم بيعملوها year on year.
We see Egypt a step much ahead of others, and other African countries are likely to learn from the Egypt experience and grow along with the advancement that Egypt is already having.
And our experience with the certain exhibition is that it's very good. We get a good amount of attendance. The exhibition is busy currently at the moment, and sure, as a company we are happy that our investment is actually good in terms of attendance. As we can see the quality of the people that they are attending, they know what they want and they are accurate of their request, and we are looking for next year.